Baby farm animals for kids. What's a baby chicken called? A chick. What are these chicks doing? Eating. What are these chicks doing? Sleeping. What's a baby goat called? A kid. What are these kids doing? Playing. What's this baby goat doing? Sleeping. What's this kid doing? Hiding. What are these baby goats doing? Washing. How? Lick, lick, lick. What's a baby donkey called? A foal. What's this baby donkey doing? Drinking milk. What's this foal doing? Resting. What's a baby cow called? A calf. What are these calves doing? Sleeping. What's this baby cow doing? Eating. What? Hay.
No. I'm not going to sleep.
This calf was just born. What's it doing? Having a bath. How? Its mama is lick, lick, licking.
Yep. Now we'll have. Oh, that one looks like it's got a horn on it too. No wonder she's making noise. Well, is everybody missing? Are you missing out on her meal?
What's a baby pig called? A piglet. What are these piglets doing?
Yep.
Drinking what? Milk.
Maybe it says it out here. he grabs one.
What are these baby pigs doing? Playing, running, playing, and chasing. What's a baby longhorn called? A calf.
I see him, baby. You know what I like to do?
What's a baby duck called? A duckling. What are these ducklings doing? Sleeping. What are these baby ducks doing? Eating.
That is so cute.
What are these ducklings doing? Playing. Slide into the water.
Oh, yeah, it does. This one right here.
Baby farm animals for kids.